Hello students, once again welcome to English Literature Classroom. Today I am going to teach the remaining part of the chapter smartphones. Okay, in my previous video I taught you smartphones. Okay, that is chapter 4, the first part, and today I am going to teach the last 2 pages. Come on, let's start. Before starting, let me recap a little. Alexander Graham Bell was the inventor of the first working telephone. The first words which we spoke on the telephone were, "Mr. Quorson, come here. I want to see you." In this way, history was created on 10th March 1876. Next, I told you all that the first cellular phones appeared in the early 1980s. Smartphones are still changing and offering new forms of communication and entertainment. Smartphones are basically a computer. Clear? Smartphones are basically a computer in your pocket, packed full of features to make your life easier. Come on, let's continue from page 37. Okay. We can now simply connect to the internet on our smartphones. Okay. Now we can connect to the internet with the help of our smartphones, and we can easily get the latest news, weather report, or to use Google or to search for information. Students can play educational games on smartphones. Okay. You all can play educational games on smartphone. Okay. And high school and college students can use them to do quick research. Smartphone can connect the user of a radio station in any part of the globe. Smartphone user can watch live TV on his smartphones to follow any match or television serial. Clear? You all know that you can see television serial, you can see any type of news or anything with the help of your smartphone. Smartphone can translate a word or phrase for you and get a spoken and written response, making speaking and understanding many languages easier. Okay, everything becomes easy with the help of smartphone. The GPS or the global positioning system. Okay, now look, I have given the full form of GPS. GPS full form is global positioning system. It can come in your exam. Okay, it's very important. Now the GPS or the global positioning system on the smartphone is one of the most convenient feature. Okay, it's very convenient feature when traveling or visiting an unfamiliar place. GPS helps us to find the exact location. Okay, what's the use of GPS? It helps us to find the exact location by giving us turn by turn direction on the cell phone. All cell phones can use tower positions and distance to calculate locations, so you can never get lost. Okay, due to this GPS you can never get lost. You can find any place you are visiting for the first time by feeding on the address on your phone, and a voice will direct you to the location you wish to reach. If your car breaks down or the fuel in the car finishes, okay, then what will happen? The smartphone may be used to call the closest service station. With the help of smartphone, you can go to the closest service station and the problems can be solved. The family waiting at home can be informed and even asked to come to your aid. Smartphones can already do more than things than Alexander Graham Bell and other inventors of his time could ever have imagined. Designers at cell phones company are constantly thinking of what new things their particular brand of smartphones can do. Okay, continuously research is going on what new things the smartphone can do. Person going to buy a new phone expects his new phone to do things faster and take clear pictures, isn't it? Whenever we are going to shop to purchase a new phone, we all expect that everything should become faster and the picture should be very clear, isn't it? After examining all this only, we purchase smartphones. In fact, sales of camera have suffered a lot. Okay, sales of cameras have suffered because smartphones are taking better and better pictures. Pictures can be stored in the phone's photo gallery. A person can share the photographs of a wedding or a holiday or any other event stored on a smartphone device in a matter of seconds. Many people have become addicted to smartphones. Okay, many people have become addicted to their phones. They forget that there are so many important things that have to be done. Okay, so many important things that can be done with the smartphone, but people are becoming addicted. Smartphone can help you. Smartphones can help you. But if you are stuck to them every waking hour, they can harm rather than help. Okay, they can harm rather than help. Overuse of smartphones can cause pain in the hands, neck, and due to poor posture, it can also lead to impaired vision. Okay, if you use a smartphone a lot, then your hands can be pain, back, neck can pain. Okay, you can have a pain in all these parts. It can also lead to impaired vision. Impaired vision means your eyesight can damage. Responding to calls and texting while driving can lead to accidents. Research show that electromagnetic radiations emitted by mobile phones get absorbed in the tissue when we hold the phone for longer periods of time. The nervous systems of teens are still developing. Teens means 13, 14, 15, 16. These are teenage. Okay, teenage means students or children are still developing. Okay, and have a greater risk of developing brain cancer for cell phone than adults. Okay, therefore you should use smartphone not for all time. Okay, you should use smartphone for your use. Okay, not for misuse. Smartphone should be used to stay connected and used responsibly. Think about it. Clear? Now look, one question I have given. How is internet useful to us? So listen, look at the answer. We can simply connect to the internet on our smartphones to get the latest news, weather report, or to use Google to search for information. Students can play educational games on smartphones, and high school and college students can use them to do research. Okay, next look, I have given another question. How have the sales of cameras suffered? Answer, sales of cameras have suffered as smartphones are taking better and better pictures. People have stopped buying cameras. Look, another question 5 I have given. How is smartphones very useful to us? Answer, a smartphones can connect the user to a radio station in any part of the globe. A smartphone's user can watch live TV on a smartphone to follow any match or television serial. Smartphone can translate a word or phrase for you and get a spoken and written response, making speaking and understanding many languages easier. Question 6. What are the harmful effects of mobile? Okay, overuse of smartphone can cause pain in the hands, back and neck. It can also lead to impaired vision. Okay, with this I am concluding this video. Okay, read this chapter, write the question answer in your copy. Okay, goodbye until my next video.